Hey you guys, how are you guys? This is Tnine here, doing a new unboxing of this Hampton Bay exterior wall lantern with the GFCI outlet. I'm trying to upgrade my wall lanterns outside my house because I've had this problems with the ones I have where when it comes to Christmas I have to take out the little glass off the ones I have, as you can see here in the pictures, and so I could plug in my Christmas lights, and unfortunately I have no outlets in my front yard, so yeah, it's hard, it's messy, and it's just bad. So I was looking for an upgrade, and unfortunately I was looking for different options and I only found two. I found this one that I purchased on Home Depot, and I found one at Lowe's. I didn't like the Lowe's one. I really like this one, the style, the way it looked. It actually looks really nice on the picture, so I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys and see how it looks. Let's see what's in here. So first we have the instructions manual, as you can see here, and I'm not gonna read it all, but here's all the instructions and how to install it and all that good stuff. Let's see, I don't know how hard it's gonna be. Here's the to attach the wires that are on the wall and the little screws, and let's take it out. I was also worried about the size. I really didn't know what size it was gonna be. I didn't want it to be big, or I don't know, but it actually looks just perfect. I think it's gonna be perfect. I can't wait till it's on in my front yard. Take this. It's nicely packaged. I really like the color. Really like the way it looks. It's black, but it has little touches of bronze, which makes it look a little like luxury style. It really looks nice. Really looks nice. I really like it already. It's pretty much just like on the pictures. So we're gonna have to cut. It's like attached to this cardboard, so we're gonna cut him and take it out. It looks really nice. I really like it. Here's the GFCI outlet, which I like. That's the main reason I got it. So this uses standard bulb up to 60 watts or CFL equivalent, which is not included. It measures 7 inches wide, 11 inches deep, and 12.9 inches high. It's a really nice size. I could already tell it's gonna, at least it's gonna look better. It's really nice. The glass has this texture. I don't know if you could see the texture on the camera, but the glass itself has a texture to it. It looks really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Please subscribe. Yeah, boy.